Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in now, so grab the device that has your authenticator or SMS access. This prevents lockouts. Once signed in, navigate straight to your Google account settings, not Gmail settings, because this is the control center for identity, security, and personal info. Make sure recovery options are visible and correct. If they're outdated, update them before any major changes. Doing this first reduces risks and makes later steps like switching emails or deleting accounts smooth and reversible. Next, focus on the detailed edits. Update personal info and contact emails so your identity displays correctly across Google services. When changing a primary email, add an alternate address first, verify it, then make it primary. Some accounts require verification links or sign in to both addresses. Simultaneously, change your password to a strong, unique passphrase and review connected apps and devices for unauthorized access. Once done, enable or confirm two-step verification so your account stays protected. Finally, save and verify every change by signing out on other devices and signing back in. This forces refresh of credentials and confirms updates worked. If you plan to delete or transfer data, use Google Takeout to export emails, files, and photos first. Make sure to check delegated access and third-party sign-ins one more time. If anything goes wrong, like being locked out, immediately use your recovery email, phone, or backup codes. If those fail, follow the account recovery prompts carefully and respond with exact prior details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.